What's up guys, Dr. M3 here. Well, guess what? We are here heading down to greet a rally that's coming up from Washington, D.C. It's called the Cavalli Rally. Oh boy. Oh man. So this rally is coming up from Washington, D.C. So we're gonna go say hi to them. Oh my god, look at that caddy. Oh my god, I don't know if you saw it. Craziness. So guys, we're out here. Man, it may be a little windy. I'm gonna try to see if I can talk to you, but so we just welcomed the Cavalli Rally up from DC. They're just rolled in. I'm going to show you the drone footage of this sort of stuff, but these guys are here with a whole bunch of cars. I'm just going to walk around and show you the cars that are actually here on the rally. 370Z Nismo. Of course, these guys here, we just talked to them. They're in the Huracan, the yellow Huracan. They actually went to, I think they said Sweden, to go check out the Performante when it got introduced. Guys, and look at all the carbon fiber on this car. It's pretty cool. Cool spec. Let's just keep going down the line here. We're good. So right over here is the Pittsburgh contingent that came in to greet these guys. You know how much I love rallies. I can't wait. We have a couple of them that we're doing this year. Ace Spade is the first big one that's coming up, and that's going to be unbelievable. We're going to start in Toronto. We're going to find ourselves down by the Blue Ridge in, I think, Tennessee, and also Tail of the Dragon, and coming back in. So we're just kind of hanging out with these guys. You know how car events are. You just, you know, I've never met these guys before. We were just talking, and it's really awesome to just see folks that you've met for the first time, and it's like your family. That's the thing that's so amazing about, you know, the car community. right, guys, so that's it. We just finished up with the guys from Cavalli Rally, and so we're gonna go grab something to eat now and call it a day. That was pretty awesome. It was a really good time. Good to see these guys. Actually, ran into a couple of friends that used to live here that now live down in DC. So pretty cool stuff. And of course, now you get the cars going back out